Okay. Hey, what's going on, folks? Mr. Brunswold here. Today we're going to be doing a lab on circumference and diameter, and I'm going to show you how to do it with a few objects that we have here, but you're also going to need to collect a few things around your house so that you can perform the rest of this experiment. So some things that you might need: an object that's a perfect circle, right? You're going to need a few of those, 4 to be exact, 4 objects that are a perfect circle. Okay, you're going to want something that you can measure them with. So a ruler would be a great idea. Meter stick will work. Tape measurer if you have one. Those would be ideal. Maybe there is also a measuring app on your iPad if you don't have any of those things, and I will leave a video on how to use that. Okay, so what are you going to do with these objects once you get them? Well, you're going to take your circular object, and the first thing that you're going to measure is the diameter. So you're going to grab your ruler. Now I'm going to measure on the centimeter side. If you only have something that measured in inches, that's fine. But I would prefer if you measured in centimeters if you had it. But whatever you measure in, be consistent. So if you measure the diameter in inches, you need to measure the circumference in inches. And if you measure the diameter in centimeters, you need to measure the circumference in centimeters. So I'm going to measure in centimeters, and then watch. I'm going to go from one edge to the other edge of this circle. So I'm going to line one up here, my other end right there. Looks to be about 11.3 centimeters. Okay, and then we're going to measure the diameter. So to do that, we're going to take our piece of string, wrap that all the way around the tape. Whoops. All right. When we do that, it seems like we get to about right here. You want to hold that with your finger so that you know what the whole length around the circle was. And now we have a straight thing that we can measure with the ruler or tape measure or whatever you're using to measure with. So you can see my ruler isn't quite long enough, so I'm going to use the meter stick here. And when I measure that, it looks like I get about to 36 centimeters. Okay. And so then what you're going to do is find 4 objects around your house, and you're going to follow that set of steps, and you're going to measure the diameter and circumference of those objects and put them in your table. Thank you.
All right, what's going on, folks? Mr. Brunswold here. I just want to go with you, cover with you real quick how to fill out that density table. Now, the first thing that you need to do is fill in your units for diameter and circumference. These are both important. If you recall from the video, I was measuring the diameter and circumference of my object in centimeters. So I'm going to put cm in each of those blanks for centimeters. Okay, and so then the next thing you should do is fill out the name of the first object that you're measuring. Mine was a roll of tape, and you can feel free to fill this in on your table. The diameter is 11.3 centimeters, and the circumference is 36 centimeters. Okay, and so then your task is to find 4 more circular objects in your house, so objects that you can make a circle with. You're going to measure the circumference and diameter of those objects. If you have any questions, just come find me in the chat and I'll help you get started. All right, good job.